details of this particular project.
Okay. Good morning to your cherished listeners. My name is Engineer Dr. Okutu. I'm the General Manager for the Tema Railway line. This line stands from Tema, where we are standing, and it is called Kilometer 0 to Kilometer 98 in the place called Mpakadan. That is the length of the rail line, and it passes through certain communities. If you want me to tell you, I'll tell you. So we have stations starting from the Tema Harbour for passengers, and then there is one called Tema Industrial, and then there is the next one is Ashama Station, Afienya Station, and then we have Shah Hill Station, then we have Doyumu Kodiabe, and then it goes to Pong, and then the Adomi. Now we've created a halt. I don't know whether you know about a halt. A halt is a platform where people can get on and off the train. So about 10 stops for the train on this line.
And how many services are you running within a day, or is it?
Okay, so we are going to start with 4 services, and looking at the market, we might increase it to 6. It's likely we'll increase it to 6 because our survey tells us that there are a lot of passengers who want to have the comfort of being on the DMU, that is the diesel multiple unit train, you know.
And also the capacity.
Okay, so we have 2 trains. One is 200 sitting and standing. The sitting is 115 and the rest is standing. And then the second train is 132 sitting, and the capacity is 220, so the difference is standing. Yes.
After today's inaugural ceremony, when are we likely to see that this services will commence?
Okay, we have a plan of making sure that the services we run will be safe for everybody in terms of the safety campaign. You know, this is an area where almost the entire length train has not, gone on before. And looking at the speed of the train, we are carrying out a safety campaign. If you check the advanced social media, mass media, we broadcasting the safety. We have vans going around talking about the safety. If you are able to achieve what we want to achieve, we have a target. After a week, we will start the passenger service.
So you don't have a specific day or date that you are starting this day and time?
Yes, till we are able to achieve the safety and the security activity, we cannot start. And I know you understand what to.
How do you measure that you're able to achieve what you want to achieve?
Yes, based on the number of trials we do on the track, we will know how much people are coming on the track and not coming close to the track. Based on the incident, there will be a lot of trials. There will be even free service for certain categories of people. I mean, companies and, supplier of the train, where they will be with us and they would work with our maintenance team, and then they become conversant with the maintenance. So within the 5 years, we believe that they will work like the way they are supposed to work to maintain this train. This train is supposed to last a minimum 30 years, and we will ensure that we achieve that.
In terms of payment system, how is it?
We are going to start manually because we want to start the services. We have the train, but we are in discussions with certain companies where we'll be using a card system. Now, what will happen is when you have a card, you have to top the card with some amount of money, and we will state order. That will come in another campaign, within the course of time. When you load the card, what you do is when you get on the train, not the station, there's a validator that you have to tap the card with. It will then pick your start point. When you are getting off, you have to tap so that it calculates what journey you have done. If you don't tap, it will take the whole journey's fare from that card. So that is what we want to implement. It is done everywhere, and that is what we want to do to achieve, maximum revenue for the service.
What's the final words to the general?
Okay, so my final words is, look, we have this beautiful train. The public will also have to support us in running this train. Please, if you see people trying to do what they are not supposed to do, because look, we are having a lot of people trying to destroy this railway line. There are cables being cut. Can you believe that about 3 weeks ago, somebody went to remove a whole PIS? But look, this shouldn't be about one party or the other party. I am pleading with everybody. This is for Ghana. And let's look at it and make sure that we protect and keep this thing for the next 30 years. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No
Finally, development for no CCTV and a that's been here. What's the how charge your phone? So I tell you, I'm sitting comfortable. Until we have put video, making sure I say I'm subscribe to your channel. One video, and I shall say, I'm sure I saw train on inside. Eh? No, I'm not telling you. Oh, yeah, I'm not playing. I'm from What are you back on a page? What are back on a page, Mama? I want you to open a credit. I was for washroom so say na washroom no etie what you say enti we no we don't say why for WC we don't say for tap no enti you can try tap no and then so no epie kama what you say aha WC no so we don't sabo we no so and then so no epie kama enti bibia ya adwuma mirror kama wa ha say ya where we no be hwe ho na e ma na mutwuma nim no ma wo say zero enso wa ha kama bibia aya electronics so ho enti ubeshema umia we na say uko washroom. Oh, nice. Nice one. USB also Juma 30 volts, 230 volts socket, and so a cinema. What charging the phone? Come. Maybe Juma, our Hasea, and Agro. We are Ultramodern trainer, and another Akuffo Addo. wabo adwuma ankasa so ohwe eya ha say ya Wi-Fi wo CCTV cameras nso ewo mu a ubi bi yira pe ye behu nipa kora akodi ni ho na ye ma won sa aka wa de kama ti
Abraham. We have seen that it was in La Côte d'Ivoire for a long time, but not now. Now we can go.